Hello guys, today topic is Ultra Viewer. My channel name is Abid Ali. How do I install Ultra Viewer on my computer? How to download Ultra Viewer? Go to Ultra Viewer, choose download, run Ultra Viewer and click next. Click the installation button, click finish and launch Ultra Viewer. Is there a free version of Ultra Viewer? Ultra Viewer is a free software that enables remote support between two computers. How to create Ultra Viewer ID and password. You can download the recommended exe version from the official Ultra Viewer website. Step 2. On the remote device, open Ultra Viewer and click on the golden key icon. Set a strong and unique password for unattended access. This password will be required whenever you attempt to connect to the remote computer. Why is Ultra Viewer on my computer? Ultra Viewer is a remote desktop software that helps you to remote control your client's computer to support them like you are sitting in front of the screen. How do I install remote desktop viewer? Download the least video of the remote desktop client for Windows. Supported Windows devices managed by Microsoft or configuration manager with permission to an application. You need a local Windows device to the Microsoft Win32 Connect Prep tool. Is UltraViewer safe to install? Like most their remote desktop software, UltraViewer is safe to use if you are using it correctly. Some people feel that scam people you use remote desktop software to steal personal information or hack computer. Remote desktop software has taken many measures to protect your user information, which is better Anydex or UltraViewer. Anydex offers various features like interact access, unattended access, and mobile device management. UltraViewer has features like smart chat, file transfer, and audio sharing. Use cases for Anydex include remote product training, security support, IT support, remote learning, and more. Is UltraViewer part of Microsoft? This is a technical support scam that pops up in some users' machines. Do not entertain those apps or email because Microsoft will not part of it. If the access your device, kindly check on your control panel and see what application they installed on your machine. Safe remote control. UltraViewer is designed to support customer partners remotely. Your client can observe all you do on their screen and take control whenever they want. Chat window. Conveniently chat with your partner while controlling their machine. You can toggle chat on off when controlling by press default hotkey F1 or any hotkey you set. Share files. You can send and receive files from your partner easily from the chat windows, all under the safe control of your partner. Multi-computer. You can control multi-computer, share your screen with multiple computers.